pagka gusto nyo naman na maka-experience ng aming mga pagkain sa kalsada, mura na, malinis pa. O tapos, pagka medyo may oras pa kayo, punta kayo Esplanade, doon sa Pasig River, magmuni-muni kayo doon. Pero pagkatabi nun, may Aroseros Park. Pagka nagutom naman kayo, marami kayong mabibili ang chicha doon. Make sure because your city government started recognizing this level or type of industry or what we call underground economy, no? By regulating them and supporting them in our own little way. So, kung pamilyar kayo sa tumbong, kung kumakain kayo ng tumbong, kamto, at lechon, hali kayo sa Ugbo, Velasquez, Tondo. Huwag kayo mag-alala, ligtas kayong makakauwi. Kung gusto nyo naman fusion, you go to Campa now. As we speak, we still have about 4 hours to experience street food safe and clean in Campa de los Reyes, likod ng UST. Kaya ngayon naman, kung may kabig kayo, safe na po kayong bumalik at magpagulong-gulong sa damuhan ng Burnham Green sa Luneta.
Magandang gabi ho sa inyong lahat. Sa ating especially DOH family, our partner, particularly NCR, our regional director, at mga kasama natin. May taga-PhilHealth dito. Ang pinaka-paborito ng lahat ng local government unit also na gusto makita buwan-buwan. But to the DOH family and to those coming from other cities, I was asked to welcome you tonight here in Manila. But I'm not only going to welcome you, but I would like to thank DOH. Sila lalo na dala ng dito nyo ginawa sa Maynila itong event nyo. Kahit po kami abala-abala, kinakancel ko po ang schedule ko pag may mga konvensyon na dito gagawin sa Maynila. Alam niyo po kung bakit? Balita ko kasi marami kayong dalang baong pera. Pwede bang gastusin nyo na dito sa Maynila yan? Because we really wanted to, revive the city's growth because we stunted for the last 3 years, literally. That's why kami naman aggressive and liberalizing some policies, particularly with the businesses. Rules are what you call, mas madaling maintindihan, para hindi na masyadong technical. Ease of doing business in the city. Now, through the help of our Vice Mayor, ang Vice Mayor ko, pinakamagandang Vice Mayor sa buong Pilipinas. May asik pa. Ang aking Vice Mayor, Chi Atienza. Through her leadership, curbing some rules and ordinances. And I'm happy, not only happy, but at least, at the very least, I am proud. As Mayor of Manila, with my Director Grace Padilla, and my Director also from respective hospitals. Si Dr. Tan, nakita ko kanina. Dr. Tan, Director namin ng Santa Ana. Si Paz naman, pass na siya sa DOH. Siya naman ang kinuwang katulong, partner with DOH sa our consultant. But what I'm really trying to say is that we're very happy. I think modesty aside, Manila is the largest
local government unit health provider in the country. With running 7 hospitals now. Upcoming na yung pagpito namin. Mapipirma na ng DOH yan pagka nabili ko yung isang makina. Magle-level 1 na yun. With 44 health centers all over the city and more to come health centers. Reviving the old one who were shut down by my insulin ko. Ay, gusto ko po talaga itong healthcare for the simple reason on what I believe in governance. Your city government, malamang yung iba sa inyo, taga-ibang local government, pero sa totoo, yung iba sa inyo, umuwi din sa Maynila. For the people of Manila, ang aming pong pamumuhunan in terms of resources, pagkasta, ay nakatuon sa MBN, Minimum Basic Needs. And that speaks of housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Leon, yung 4 na yun, doon yung malaking bulto ng aking panahon, ng aming maliit na resources, nakalaan, tugunan ang MBN. And that's why healthcare is one of the most spoiled sa city government. Malaki ang demand sa amin, konti resources, pero laging may kilya. Kumbaga sa Saranggola, lamang lagi si Padilla. At ang kanyang mga kasamang direktor in terms of request. Dahil paborito, mahirap po magkasakit. I for one had the experience. Alam niyo siguro, hindi naman kaila sa inyo o kung saan ako nagsimula. At most of the time, pag nagkakasakit ako, nanay ko, at saka yung lolo ko, kami lagi tumatakbo sa pampubliko hospital. So I am one of those at present today who really needs proper, efficient healthcare program. So, kayong mga nasa iba't ibang dako ng Metro Manila, o LGU, kaisa niyo po ang lungsod ng Maynila na patuloy na mamuhunan sa kalusugan ng ating mamamayan. That we guarantee. And I think si Lester at lahat ng ating mga nasa region, alam nila yan. Kasi mas nadadala sila sa City Hall ngayon. Because we always invite them in our health board session. We wanted them to participate, and we as local government align our direction with regard to national government direction providing healthcare in our country and in our city. So again, ulitin ko, sana mag-stay kayo sa Sheraton. Mura lang check-in dito, sayang naman. Mag-staycation na kayo. O tapos, pagka medyo may oras pa kayo, punta kayo Esplanade. Doon sa Pasig River, magmuni-muni kayo doon. Pero pagkatabi nun, may Aroseros Park. Pagka nagutom naman kayo, marami kayong mabibili ang chicha doon. Pagka gusto nyo naman na maka-experience ng aming mga pagkain sa kalsada, mura na, malinis pa. We make sure because your city government started recognizing this level or type of industry or what we call underground economy, no? By regulating them and supporting them in our own little way. So, kung familiar kayo sa tumbong, kung kumakain kayo ng tumbong, kanto, at lechon, hali kayo sa Ugbo, Velasquez Tondo. Huwag kayong mag-alala, ligtas kayong makakauwi. Kung gusto nyo naman fusion, you go to Campa now. As we speak, we still have about 4 hours to experience street food safe and clean in Campa Tres Reyes, likod ng UST. Kaya ngayon naman, kung may kabig kayo, safe na po kayong bumalik at magpagulong-gulong sa damuhan ng Burnham Green sa Luneta. Katulad ng ginawa ng mga nanay natin. Welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Well, thank you very much, DOH family. To all of you, I wish you all the best, and I hope that God will continue to guide and keep you safe every now and then, doing public service to our people. Magandang gabi at pagpalain nawa kayo ng kung may kapal. Manila! That's words. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor